In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to change the number of posts displayed on your WordPress blog page. Do you want to change the number of posts displayed on your WordPress blog page? By default, all WordPress archive pages show a maximum of 10 posts per page. However, you can change them easily from your dashboard settings and show as many articles as you like. In your dashboard, go to Settings, then click on Reading. And here you can change how many posts you want to display. I'm going to change this to 5. And I'm going to change this to 5 as well. Then you can select here if you want to display full text or a summary of the post on your blog. This is going to depend on your theme too, as some themes only show an excerpt of the post. Then click on Save Changes. And now back to the website. I'll just reload the page. And as you can see, only 5 posts are displayed on this page, and here you can see the pagination to view the other posts. This is how you can change the number of posts displayed on your WordPress blog page. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.